Welcome to Learn It, a series of digital scrapbooking tutorials by Wendyzine Scraps. Today we're going to take a quick look at the 3D shadow action. This action is going to add a shadow to the bottom of the element and a reflection so that it gives sort of a 3D effect. I've loaded the action here in Photoshop and I have my element layer selected. I'm going to click on the action and press play. Click Continue through the menu. We'll be prompted to choose a color for the shadow. It's set to your foreground color, which is what's highlighted here. If you want to change it, you can click on the drop-down menu and choose Color, and then select any color you want. So in this case, if I wanted, I could choose like a really dark blue instead. When you've selected your color, press OK. On the next screen, we are prompted to drag the reflected object down so it touches the bottom of the original object. So just press Enter and then go ahead and click and drag down. You may or may not need to hold in the Shift key to keep it positioned exactly symmetrically there. So when you're happy with the placement of that, just press Enter on your keyboard. On the next screen, we're prompted to reposition the shadow, so press Continue and then just drag that shadow layer up to where you want it. Press Enter. And then finally on the next screen we're prompted to drag the reflection. Now in some cases, depending on the position of your element on the page, you may not actually see the reflection. And if that happens, that's okay. Just press Continue. What you're looking for is this bounding box here. So in some cases it may actually look like this, where you don't see your reflected image. Just click and grab and drag that down or up, depending on where the element is. So here we're going to drag it up until we see just the amount of the reflection that we want. And when we're happy with that, press Enter. And then we're just given a notice that the action's complete and a reminder that if we want to run this action again on the same file, on a different element or even the same element, we need to go ahead and rename all these layers. That way, when the action runs again, it is selecting the correct layer. So just press Continue. And the action's complete. If you have any questions or problems with this action, let me know, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.